Hello, and welcome back to StoryTone English. This is day 10 of your daily English speaking practice series. In previous days, we learned building sentences, storytelling, and daily practice routines. Today, we will focus on asking questions and answering naturally, which is one of the most important skills for speaking English fluently. So, let's begin and practice together. Star Story: Rina's Coffee Shop Conversation. It was Saturday morning, and Rina decided to visit her favorite coffee shop. She had learned to speak sentences and tell short stories, but she felt nervous about asking questions and responding naturally. As she entered, she noticed a young man reading a book. She wanted to start a conversation. Taking a deep breath, she walked up and said, "Hi, that looks like an interesting book. What are you reading?" The young man smiled and replied, "Hi, I'm reading a story about adventure and travel. It's very exciting." Rina responded, "Wow, I love adventure stories. How long have you been reading it?" The conversation continued naturally. She asked simple questions and gave thoughtful answers. By the end of her coffee, she realized asking the right questions makes English flow naturally. Her teacher later explained, "When you ask questions, you create a conversation. When you answer naturally, you practice fluency and confidence at the same time." Speaking practice. Repeat after me. Let's practice asking and answering questions together. Repeat slowly and clearly. A. Hi. How are you today? B. I'm good, thank you. How about you? A. What do you like to do in your free time? B. I like reading books and going for walks. A. Have you watched any good movies recently? B. Yes, I watched an adventure movie last weekend. It was amazing. A. Do you enjoy learning English? B. Yes, I practice every day and it's getting easier. Repeat this conversation several times. Speak naturally, as if you are really talking to someone. Mini exercise. Your turn. Now, it's your turn. Imagine you are at a coffee shop, bookstore, or park. Ask these questions aloud. What's your favorite hobby? Where are you from? How do you spend your weekends? What kind of books or movies do you like? Can you recommend something interesting for me? Answer them naturally, as if you're having a real conversation. The key is to respond fully and confidently, not just with one word. Fluency tips. Asking and answering. Use WH questions. Who, what, where, when, why, how. Add small details and answers. It makes your English sound natural. Smile and speak slowly. Confidence shows in your voice. Practice every day. Even 5 to 10 minutes of conversations improves fluency. Listen and repeat. Hearing natural English helps you respond naturally. Evening reflection. Rina returned home and wrote in her journal, Day 10. Today, I learned to ask questions and answer naturally. Small conversations can improve my fluency. I realized speaking English is not about perfection, it's about confidence and practice. She smiled and whispered, "Every question I ask is a step toward fluency. Every answer I give is a step toward confidence." Practice challenge. Your turn. Today's task. Go to a place where you can talk to someone, even online. Ask at least 5 simple questions in English. Respond to their answers naturally. Record yourself speaking for 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, fluency grows with daily practice and real conversations. Outro. Channel closing. Excellent job today! This was day 10 of your daily English speaking practice series. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe to StoryTone English. Tomorrow, in day 11, Rina will practice describing things around her, which will make your English more expressive and fluent. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep building confidence in English every day.